January 1st. New notebook. New promises. By February, most resolutions are gone. Not because you're weak. Because your brain runs on systems, not wishes. Let's use that. Step 1. Identity first, then outcome. I run 3 times a week beats I want to be fit. Behave like the person you're becoming. Tiny proof beats huge plans. Step 2. Turn goals into behaviors. Outcome. Read more. Behavior. Read 10 minutes after dinner on the couch. Outcome. Save money. Behavior. Auto-transfer 5 a day at 090 qua. If it's not on the calendar or in an automation, it's not real yet. Step 3. Implementation intention, the if then script. If it's 6:30, I put on shoes and step outside. If I finish lunch, I walk 5 minutes. Your brain loves clear triggers. Write one if then for each habit. Step 4. Make it obvious, easy, and short. Friction kills habits. Lay out shoes. Pin a book to the home screen. Start with the 2-minute version. 1 page, 1 push-up, 1 inbox timer. You're building consistency, not records. Step 5. Reward now, not later. Dopamine pays for immediate wins. Check off a box, hear a ding, see a streak. No reward? Your brain quietly uninstalls the habit. Stack a real treat. Temptation bundling equally audiobook only while running. Favorite coffee only after your morning write. Step 6. Design your environment. Willpower is a weak defense against a strong cue. Hide the app. Move snacks out of sight. Put the guitar on a stand in the living room. Change the room. Change the routine. Step 7. Make failure boring. Miss a day? Never miss 2. Reset with the smallest possible rep. Streaks survive micro-sessions. Perfection is fragile. Consistency is anti-fragile. Advanced commitment devices. Tell a friend. Schedule a weekly check-in. Use a tiny deposit you only get back if you show evidence. External promises make internal friction irrelevant. Why does this work? Cue, routine. Reward is how your basal ganglia learns. Immediate feedback trains dopamine prediction. Small, repeated reps drive myelination and make actions automatic. Systems beat motivation because systems run when motivation is low. Build your New Year system. Copy this. A. Pick 1-3 identities. Reader, lifter, saver. B. 1 daily rep per identity. Read 10 min after dinner. 2 sets of squats after morning coffee. 05 auto transfer at 090 QU. C. If-then cards. Write them. Place where the trigger lives. D. Reward an amp, track. Checkboxes, streak counter, or a visible wall calendar. Don't break the chain. E. Weekly review, 15 minutes Sunday 18. Keep and tweak, delete. If it's not working, shrink the rep or move the cue. Myths, fast. Go big or go home. Big starts are exciting. Small starts are sustainable. Motivation first. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. I need the perfect plan. You need a plan you'll do. V1 today beats V5 never. Example system, steal it. After brushing teeth, cue, 60-second plank. After lunch, 5-minute walk while playing your walk-only playlist. At 21 aqua, phone to charger in hallway. Read 10 minutes in bed. Every payday, automatic percent to savings. Sunday 1800, 15-minute review plus schedule next week's cues. Minimal friction. Max repeatability. Recap. Resolutions fail when they stay wishes. They stick when you translate them into identity plus cues, plus tiny reps, plus immediate rewards, plus weekly reviews. New year, same brain. Give it the system it understands. Start with 1 2-minute win today. Repeat tomorrow. Love science-based self-optimization? Subscribe. New curiosity every Sunday at 1800.